Welcome back to our vlog channel. Just checking in with you guys at the Shallows.
We are the only people here.
I mean, unless there's some ghosts behind us. So
Is there
snuck some awesome donuts in.
Because we're fat.
Yeah, we basically.
So
it's been a lit
this
day.
is our review on the Shallows.
Yeah,
So
we'll let you guys know.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We'll video our like during the
reaction
movie because there's nobody here. So yeah,
Enjoy.
bye.
It's so gross. Ew.
This will be our Wait, put it under like this. This will be our thumbnail. Wait.
Pretend you're scared. Hey fans. Hold on. Your lips, look at your lips, hold up.
Road. Wait, Megan knows that in 3rd grade? Hey, Challenger had them reading it 3rd.
Ew.
Loving
The right start.
What the hey little dot? Oh my god, I look crusty. I look crusty. I look crusty.
I look crusty.